Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to screen share on TikTok livestream. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to screen share during a TikTok livestream on iOS and select Android devices. Start by unlocking live access, then open TikTok and tap the plus button. Choose live and look for the mobile gaming option near the Go Live button. Select either portrait or landscape mode and tap Go Live to start broadcasting your screen to viewers. Before going live, enable Do Not Disturb, lock your screen orientation, and ensure a stable internet connection. Keep in mind, this feature is designed primarily for mobile gaming, not general screen sharing, and access may not be available to all users, even if you meet follower requirements. Misuse could affect your live stream privileges, so use it responsibly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.